Okay, we've added a new feature to our website. We have recently taken on a number of affiliates. Most of them complement our car business, but there are some others which we do have interests in, and I think it's a good addition to the website as well. If you look along the top here, you'll see car finance, compare the market, my car check. You can check any car, it doesn't have to be from us, and you can also finance any car so long as it's from a reputable dealer. Up here to the shop you can see car parts, tyre fitting, car accessories, action cameras, 360 cameras, drones, Amazon and eBay shops. If you go along to fashion here, one of the most interesting ones we've got really, men's handmade Italian shoes. If you just go there, select it, and then click here to browse the shoes. At the top here, your designs, man, woman, gifts. They also make custom belts as well. So onto man, we'll go to boots because there's more to mess about with on them, just to show you for the purposes of this video. And we'll go down to here, Colombo, and click customize. So onto the customize tab here, and there we go. So you see there, you can customize every part of the shoe. We'll go back to that, and then let's see, the sole here, we'll have that back to the front. So we'll go for coffee, and that's in suede. No, actually, here we've got a choice of deco, shiny, calf, polished, crocodile pattern, grain, hairy pattern. So I'll actually change that to grain there. And then the center bit, let's see what we've got. Back up to suede, sand, change that. And then here you can actually change the laces, although those, in my opinion, those brown laces look quite nice. And you can also change the eyelets there as well. Let's see, white, gold, gunmetal. Do we want gold? Yeah. And then up at the top here, you can change the inside. And you can also look at them from the front, the top, the rear. We'll just change that actually to grain as well, where we got grain. Here we go, coffee. But you will be able to find or design a pair of shoes to go with any outfit. As you can see there, you've got a whole choice of shiny materials too. Let's see, let's get back to suede and change that. So do I want that grey? I'll try grey. And then, so there you go. You can design a pair of shoes, order them online, just click here, and within 10 days they'll be delivered to your door. So I'm quite pleased with this feature, and I shall be ordering a few pairs of these in future, that's for sure.